In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Microsoft Edge high memory uses in Windows 11. So open Edge browser and here click on these three dots and settings. Now here click on System and Performance. Scroll down and here are some settings. Make this setting fed sleeping tabs. So make it on and save resources with sleeping tabs. So make this setting to on. Also put inactive tabs to sleep after the specified amount of time. So like 30 seconds up to 12 hours. And also guys, you can keep any website to never put these sites to sleep. So this is the basic way guys you can use and you can try this method. Also guys, you can see here balanced savings you can select and it's recommended. So thanks for watching. You can try to speed up your Microsoft Edge browser.